Hey? Where are the kids? Hey? Where are the kids? I hear the kids. Where are they? Why is the box moving? And kids laughing. Huh? Where could they be? I think I need to seal that box and mail it somewhere. Because it's a gift for me. What?
It's two girls.
Who? Who's in there?
It's two
Let me see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Dirty is not a present. It is a present. But it is a baby present.
Oh.
Or it's not. It's not me. Okay? It's a baby present. Alright? I'm just nothing else. I'm a tiger.
Oh.
That's your present. This is your present. We are the presents.
All right.